What causes of back pain in female? The lower back pain causes in female. There are many different causes of back pain or lower back pain in female, as almost any segment of the spine can be damaged and give rise to pain. Disorders of other parts of the body, particularly the lungs, kidneys and female reproductive organs, can also cause backache. Most back pain is neither severe nor life-threatening, and can be treated adequately at home. However, since pain anywhere in the back can be a symptom of a serious disorder, it is important that you have some idea of what might be causing your pain, so that you can decide what remedies to take. One easy way to cause lower back pain is to sit for prolonged hours, without any movement of the legs or body. This can happen even if you maintained a good sitting posture, as inactivity causes the back muscles to become weak and inflexible. In addition, if you have poor posture and leg length discrepancy, lower back pain is even more likely to occur. Doing strenuous physical activities such as lifting heavy objects and proper lie can also contribute to lower back pain. This is because such activities usually involve bending forward or moving too quickly or awkwardly, which will inevitably add pressure on the back. Uncomfortable workstations, such as chairs with inadequate support, will also increase the likelihood of lower back pain. Besides the physical factors, emotional stress can also be a contributing cause of lower back pain. Breath holding or shallow, rapid breathing that often occurs during times of stress can stiffen and cause tension in the muscles of the spine. This not only results in compression forces in the spine, but can set the stage for even a minor physical incident, such as bending over, to throw the back out of balance and cause lower back pain. Women, who are wearing high heels for long hours, are also prone to lower back pain. This can be due to prolonged standing or insufficient arch support of the heels. It has also been well known that pregnant women are likely to experience back pain due to the increased weight. In addition, they may also encounter low back pain during delivery, which is also called back labor. While there is no solution to this excruciating pain, it does pass. Understanding the different lower back pain causes and symptoms can help you to take preventive measures to minimize their chances of suffering from a back problem in future. If you want to treat low back pain permanently, we offer the treatment options that do not require medication and will make you go away from lower back pain forever. Click link below in description to get free treatment guidelines for treating low back pain to disappear permanently. Don't forget to subscribe Kiwi Healthy channel to don't miss any good information for your health.